Just wanna see the light.
Welcome again to returning back to the function. In this video we will make a simple main menu function and pass one parameter to the function. We have already learned about the function in our previous lecture. Let's recall it back again. Function is a very general term of method, so we can also call function a method. Function is just a code block that contains series of statements which all together combine and perform specific tasks to return the result. Let's see green block of code. In place of void we have written int here because the function addition is going to return a value of integer. Int a and b are the parameters applied to the function. We can also say that a and b are the two numbers which sum has to be calculated by the function. Inside the function we have defined another variable sum, and then addition is performed, and at last the result of the sum is returned by the function. So the function addition takes two integer value, calculate the sum of these two numbers, and return back the result of the number. Okay, no more intros, jump back to Unity. In previous video we have created our beautiful main menu. Now let's modify our code of main menu. Hover over to Visual Studio. We have written bunch of statements in start method for our main menu. Now we will create a new method or function main menu just below the start method. Move this statement to main menu method. And call the main menu method in the start method. Now save the code and jump over to Unity. Hit play icon and check. We got the same output. Before doing anything else, I will introduce a new code, terminal.clearScreen. This statement will clear all the output on the terminal. Let's write the statement at the top and check what's gonna happen. It seems to be happen nothing due to our game flow. Again, I will add the welcome note to the terminal by defining variable welcome note. And call the welcome note to the terminal.writeLine. Now save and check in Unity. Again, we didn't see any changes. What's going here? Here, while our game starts, first our variable welcome note is declared, and then at terminal we write our welcome note, then we call main menu method. At the very top we have written clear screen. So the previous welcome note written in terminal is cleared. And the statement below will run, so we didn't see any changes. Now we will move these two lines from the start method to main menu method just below the clear screen. And let's check. Now we got our welcome note. Again, now we will make a parameter in main menu as string welcome note. And then provide a value of welcome note while calling the function from start method. It also gives the same output. How did you guys get on? Or have you feeling any difficulties? Then comment below. Thank you for watching this video and I will meet you in the next lecture.